The 2VTLR Relight assembly consists of a very simple set of components that install quickly and simply to convert nearly any parabolic or lens troffer to a highly efficient volumetric LED luminaire and a completely refreshed appearance. Before you begin with the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker, that you wear insulated gloves, and that your eyes are properly protected. Begin the installation by preparing the host fixture. Remove the door frame and set aside. Remove lamps and set aside for proper disposal and recycling. Remove the channel cover and disconnect the incoming supply voltage. Remove existing fluorescent lamp holder brackets and ballast from the channel, and strip the incoming supply wires. The fixture is now ready for installation of the 2VTLR components. Install the end brackets by sliding the flange between the T-grid and the host. Then seat the bracket firmly against the end plate of the housing. Secure the brackets to the housing with the self-tapping Tech screws, included with the kit. Hang the LED light engine from the hinge receivers on the end brackets by slotting one end and hooking the other over the bracket. The light engine will now hang securely while the wiring connections are made. Insert the black and white supply wires securely into the plug-in driver connector. Self-adhesive wire management clips are included with the kit to be used if needed to secure excess supply wire in the channel. Hinge the light engine up into place and secure at each end with the included screws. Note the end bracket has now positioned the LED panel at the optimal distance from the ceiling plane, regardless of the depth or type of host fixture housing. This ensures reliable, consistent appearance and performance from fixture to fixture throughout the project. Hang the door frame assembly by engaging the hinges into the slots on the end brackets and seating in place. Attach the bonding strap on the door frame to a convenient point anywhere inside the host housing with included self-tapping screw. Close and latch the door frame. Installation is now complete. The existing fixture has now been upgraded to the aesthetics and performance of a brand new LED luminaire, all without ever breaking the ceiling plane. The 2VTLR kit with white brackets for installation in lens troffers is shown here. For installation in parabolic fixtures, the 2VTLR kit has black brackets to match the black reveal frame of the host housing. When the 2VTLR kit is installed in some lens troffers, there may be a gap between the door frame and T-grid. For these instances, the 2VTLR is supplied with two flexible trim strips that are designed to fill this gap for a cleaner installed appearance. With the door frame removed, slide one end of the flexible strip between the end bracket and the host housing. The notch on the end of the strip will align with the end bracket. Secure the strip and smooth into place. Then repeat along the other side of the fixture. When the door frame is now installed and closed, the gap will be eliminated for a finished, clean appearance.